Good day viewers. Today's video is on how to use Chatgpt to write the scope of the study. So in this video, you will learn exactly how to use Chatgpt to write scope of the study session for your thesis, dissertations, or research paper with clarity and confidence. So whether you are a university student, researcher, or academic writer, this step-by-step guide will show you how to draft well-structured and professional written content using AI tool. I will cover everything you need to know, from understanding what the scope of the study means to applying Chatgpt prompts that produce logical boundaries, focus areas, and research parameters that align with your project goals. By the end of this video, you will be able to understand the component of the scope of the study in thesis and research projects. You'll also be able to use Chatgpt for academic writing to draft clear, concise, and accurate scope statements. You'll also be able to apply Chatgpt techniques to improve your scope of study in research, proposal, and dissertation chapters. You will learn practical tips to avoid overusing AI and will maintain academic credibility. So whether you are working on chapter 1 of your research paper or improving your existing scope of study in research project, this tutorial will guide you through each step in a simple and effective way. So sit tight while I take you through on these. Now, what is scope of the study in research? The scope of the study defines the boundaries, focus, and extent of a research project. It explains what the study will cover and what it will not, helping readers understand the specific parameters within which the research is conducted. In essence, it sets the limit of the investigation, clarifying the subject matter, population, time frame, geographical area, and key variables being examined. So, the key points you must involved in writing the scope of the study are: introduction to the study boundaries. Begin by briefly explaining the overall purpose of your research and what the scope aims to define. Subject or topic coverage. Specify what aspect the research problem are you studying. For instance, the importance of audit in manufacturing firms. Geographical scope. Try to indicate where the study is conducted. For example, Nigeria Bottling Company PLC, Coca-Cola bottling operations. Population and sampling. Define who is included in the study, such as internal auditors, financial managers, or production managers. Time frame. State the period covered by the research, for instance, fiscal year 2023, 2025, or a given academic session. Variables and key constructs. Identify the main variables or themes being analyzed, for instance, audit effectiveness, financial control, or operational efficiency. Delimitation, so what is excluded. Clearly state what will not be covered in the study to avoid misinterpretation or overgeneralization. Justification for the scope. Explain why you choose this limit. For instance, due to data availability, okay, due to data availability, resource constraints, or relevant to research objectives. Then the last thing is to connect to objective. So conclude by linking the scope directly to your research objectives and questions, showing how it supports achieving them. So that's that. So let me show you the practical aspect of what I have just explained. So you open your computer, you check your internet connection, you open your browser and type Chatgpt, enter, wait a minute for it to come up. Okay, so right here you right click and open a new tab. Remember, you have to get your research formats ready, like your research sample format, your research topic and all of that. I got mine ready, so I'll just copy them. Then go back to my browser, click on start writing my research now, then paste it here. Okay. Good, so all I have to do here is to prompt it to write chapter 1.5, which is the scope of study. Okay, so the scope of study is ready. It's beautiful. So the next thing to do is to just copy it and then paste on your Microsoft, or your Microsoft, where you can do few editing and thereafter humanize. So let's get a new page here. So you get a new page and then you paste it. You can as well do few editing if necessary. So that's that for scope of the study. You can do editing where necessary, like this. This is not right, so I will unbold it. Okay, so that's that for scope of the study. I want to assure you something. You can actually do more than I do if you click the link below and get the customized Chatgpt prompt. And please do not also forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates, like, share and comment. Thank you so much. I still remain Mr. Rich Edit, your research consultant.